So the winter games, and wow, Ben, we got a little dose of winter weather. I had a massive hailstorm at my house in Snohomish County yesterday.
Yeah,
last night.
It was kind of fun. That convergence zone, even at my house, north end of Lake City, actually did see some snowfall as well. So it was like a mixture of rain, snow, grauple, the small, tiny, soft hail pellets. It was pretty wild. And even this morning, we were dealing with some of the lingering effects of that convergence zone. But things are starting to wind down, and basically we're in between weather systems. And overall, a fairly quiet Monday is taking shape. Some of us on the north end of Lake Washington, including as far south as shoreline, did wake up to a dusting of snowfall this morning. But with the sun poking through those partly cloudy skies, the snow is melting rather quickly as temperatures are warming back into the lower 40s at this hour. Nice shot from our Bellevue Tower cam. You can see downtown Seattle, even the base of some of the Olympic Mountains. We are looking at a fairly pleasant second half of the day today. Radar is actually fairly clean. We did see those mainly flurries right along the Highway 2 corridor with that convergence zone earlier this morning. That has since faded away, and really the only showers we're seeing are along our coastal beaches, and those are rather hit and miss, and they're falling in the form of rain as, again, temperatures start starting to warm up a little bit. We're in between weather systems today. Our next weather system is going to be arriving late tonight into tomorrow. There it is. You can see it's working its way down the British Columbia coastline, and temperatures are cold enough where we are going to start off with another rain-snow mix and even some light accumulation early tomorrow morning before we switch things over to rain showers by tomorrow afternoon. Current temperatures right now, some of us are still hanging into the 30s. Bremerton's at 39 degrees. Bellingham right now is at 38 degrees, but most of us are going to see highs back in the low to mid 40s for afternoon highs. The next 12 hours looks like this. Topping temperatures about 4 o'clock this afternoon in the mid 40s. We should stay partly cloudy through this evening, but after midnight, those clouds will start to thicken up ahead of our next weather system. So a little rain snow mix early on Tuesday. Most of us, even in the lowest elevations, are looking at a dusting and up to an inch of snow for some higher hillsides. So on the grand scheme of things, probably not that big of a deal, but just don't be surprised when you wake up to a little snowfall early tomorrow morning. We get a break Tuesday evening, and then it's going to be a rainy and at times windy Wednesday ahead. And by Wednesday, temperatures are warming up a little bit, so it's mostly rain on Wednesday. So let's time this thing off. Late tonight into early tomorrow morning, that's when this frontal system will be moving on through. We'll get hit with some rain and snow showers early before we transition to a few rain showers later tomorrow afternoon. And notice by 3 p.m. tomorrow, things are going to be drying out for us. So this is kind of our break time. Here comes Wednesday's system, again fairly wet through most of the day and heavy rain at times, especially as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Let's take a look at your extended forecast. Partly cloudy, overall pretty quiet today. Rain and snow showers early, turning to rain showers Tuesday afternoon. Wet and windy on Wednesday, and then we see temperatures cooling off a couple degrees Thursday into Friday with a few rain and snow showers, and overall not a bad weekend is taking shape. Mid 40s, still a little cooler than average, but just a few rain showers are in the forecast.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Ben.